I'm going to share with you about how I use Aminowise. This is Young Living's amino acid supplement. If you've heard of branch chain amino acids or using amino acids during exercise and for recovery, this is the product that you want to use. It helps with muscle recovery and enhances performance. You can use this before you work out and during and after. I've done all three of those. It also helps with hydration. So in the summertime, I drink it more often if I'm sweating a lot, or if I just feel a little under the weather, I feel like I'm getting sick or something and I want to keep well hydrated, I will drink this. The serving size says 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water. What I like to do is split that up into like thirds. I'll do a third of the scoop 3 times a day, just mainly to flavor my water, but I'm still getting all the nutrients and amino acids that will help with your muscle recovery after exercise. So if you want support in that area, this is highly recommended. You know the quality is going to be good if it's Young Living. I've tried other amino acids and some of them were okay. Other ones weren't so great. You have to really research the ingredients of what you're putting in your body if you want to stay well and healthy. And I know with Young Living, it's going to be safe and there's not going to be additives in it that are harmful. The flavor is kind of like pink lemonade. It's called wolfberry lemonade flavor. To me, it tastes like pink lemonade. It's not too strong. It tastes really good. And it doesn't take much, so that's why I like to spread it out through the day so I can feel like I'm drinking more of it and I get tired of plain water. But again, it helps really good with muscle recovery and hydration. So if you're looking something to support your body in that way, I recommend this. Again, ask your doctor, of course, because I'm not one, and I'm just sharing with you how I use it. So hopefully that's helpful, and hope you all stay well.